We have Mr. Hyun with us from SHF Corporation. Hello sir, we welcome you to NDIM. So how have been your day at NDIM? What is your ideas on the event at NDIM today?
Yeah, it's my pleasure that I'm attending this great symposium that I'm the business owner and PhD student in at Pepperdine University. And the symposium was great to me, and it was almost like an eye-opener. So the understanding deeply the society of India and also emerging trend of the leadership area, also which is my also research area could be. And as the owner of the small but the family-owned company,
Right.
and I have pretty much challenge of that how is going to be my upcoming task or something differently. So I'm pretty much get a lot of things too.
Okay. So basically, what are the emerging trends and the challenges in your industry? If you could just throw a light upon that.
Okay. Yeah. We are the services industry, like the hospital or the supporting service to the hospital, because I'm serving seniors who are at risk of the institutionalization. So we are trying to prevent them go to the institution like hospitalization.
Right.
So, but that's the kind of very labor intensive industry.
Right.
So right now, like we are getting some technology based or technology supported or even digital supported caring,
Right.
like the robotic the care personnel or care power. So we are thinking and developing, or also we are cooperating with the other companies like the robotic or digitalized care and the care plan. So I'm pretty much excited that we the subject was mentioned in this great symposium.
Yes, sir. So what are your views on the artificial intelligence?
That thing, I thought that our industry is the very last the area they approach it, but it's not true.
Okay.
I found that because artificial intelligence that's also the caring approach to the our services. So artificial intelligence that could make us very pretty much change in our industry as well.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your
Okay,
time. It was a
thank you.
pleasure meeting
Yeah.
you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.